type Edutrust Consult Limited, you will see these following options. The following option will display Edutrust Consult Limited. So when it displays, you go to the first one, the first option. The first option is Edutrust Consult Limited. So let's click there to see what it brings for us. So it display, the first page that it display is a page full of options: to home, about us, study abroad, test, payment and pricing, news, get in touch, and our social media handling, of course. But let's go down and see, like today is the introduction of this new series of videos that I will be doing. I'll be introducing you to our website. We'll be going through it. So let's get into it. We have processing, admission, visa applications. We have them like that. We have various exams like SAT, IELTS, PTE. We have them like that. But today, let's go and see the testimony. What I want to read today is testimony. So testimonies of Mrs. Afolahan. Testimony of Mrs. Afolahan. Let's see. Mr. Afolahan is saying, when I finished my PTE training at Edutrust Consult, I was very confident that I would pass the exam in flying colors, of which I did. So she actually passed her exam with flying colors. I will always be thankful to my tutors because they were patient with me. Mrs. Afolahan, PTE students. Mrs. Afolahan. So that is a testimony from somebody who consult us and came for our training. So let me take it again for analysis now. When I finished my PTE training at Edutrust Consult, I was so confident. So you gain confidence. You stand to gain confidence when you come to us. You gain confidence. I was so confident that I would pass the exam in flying colors, of which I did. So she was confident. So it was to her according to her faith. So she actually passed the exam. I will always be thankful to my tutor because they were patient with me. So she's the best person to explain that. Of course, we are patient here because customer satisfaction is what we guarantee. A trial will definitely convince you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is just what I will say concerning this video. Thanks a lot.